Guys, run down, run.
No, don't run. Now your mess is mine. We were listening to some classic jams on the way here. Oh, I just hurt my leg. I hope you fall in. I didn't know.
Hey, even Eric followed me.
Don't ever say that word.
Word is right there.
Yeah, we're gonna have to walk back up this.
Don't rely on that tree.
Oh, he found it.
Hold on.
Miles.
Eric, don't jump in.
Can we start the video?
You guys seriously keep down the profanity. Eric, drop it.
Poop my pants!
Oh, stop swearing.
You guys!
See, it's soft. Oh, yeah, that was easy. It's really soft.
Mac, what should I say before I jump? You guys.
Oh.
Okay.
I didn't ask. I just
my
said
ass is
shit.
full. And we're done.
Yeah, my
What the hell is wrong with you?
I think we would need it.
I didn't die there. But
Yeah.
what do you do with the drunken sailor?
I don't want like suck his dick and
Way up she rises, way up she rises. What do you do with my butt and poop pants? Hey, give me your thoughts. Give me your thoughts just right now. On the spot.
Honestly, I was gonna say
Johnny on the spot.
those things are good.
I'm a cream pie, you're oatmeal.
Oops, they're acting like they've never been here before.
I also grab my penis.
I couldn't hear.
Hey, let's make fun of Miles real quick. Homie got the big Phil! This way.
Yeah.
Wait, what the? Oh yeah, they're in here. Oh sh! Why are we running? It's faster.
Popcorn?
This is OG mud.
19 inches.
This is OG Mudbones inside.
Okay.
What?
Scared me. They were down there last time.
It says Chief Keef.
Same. I posted it for. You don't remember it?
I do not.
Gross. Impressions.
Why?
I don't know. It's just bent to the left.
No, it's weird. Like when I get cold.
That ain't that.
Should we get naked?
What is wrong with you?
Do you even know?
Full on. Hey Miles, can you grab this?
Yeah. Got it to my mouth.
Oh, yuck.
Yeah, poop quick.
They're
Oh, I'm done swearing.
Take your shirt off. You look tough. Be fat. Look tough.
Where are we going now?
Wait.
Where's Mac?
Yeah, we actually lost Mac a long time ago. Yeah, like, when did you tell anyone? I don't know. I just figured he'd come.
I saw him walking off and I figured he'd listen.
It's. Wait, you realize you.
There he is.
Oh.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go